Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Today we will discover home office interior design ideas. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to channel. Please watch the video till end. If you're new to working from home, or just don't want to rearrange your living or dining room to accommodate an office desk, investing in a stylish workspace can be a hard pill to swallow. But once you see how great a design-forward home office looks, you'll be so glad you took the plunge. Keep watching the video for great home office ideas that will inspire you to invest in a personal workstation you truly love. Balancing work and relaxation is hard enough already, so adding a home office space to your master bedroom can be a tricky challenge for even the most experienced designer. Floating desks are a fan favorite, especially in modern-inspired homes. Fold-down desktops are fun and space-conscious but are also just one example of built-in office design. Even if clients will never set foot in your home office, there's nothing wrong with wanting a space that impresses. Avoid ornate, carved desks. Instead, take advantage of unique wall-mounted and modular designs, especially those featuring clean-cut angles and geometric shapes. Display framed photos, potted plants, and other items on your desk or a nearby shelf. Keep your hanging wall decor simple and stick with a common theme. If you describe your favorite home office decor style as just office, go with a traditional aesthetic. Opt for a solid wood desk and shelving. If the natural wood grain doesn't suit your existing decor, a coat of paint is an easy fix. Focus your office decor around classic workplace staples like a framed corkboard and books. While decorative elements are fine, try to ensure everything on and around your desk serves a purpose. If you like the home office interior design ideas, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Thank you. Have a productive day ahead.